So we are back doing another unboxing. Today we're checking out a nightlight spy camera. This is a spy camera lamp by Kaupoonk. It's a hidden camera. It's a 1080p. It's a Wi-Fi security camera, micro motion detector, surveillance cam. You can check this out on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below as always when I do a unboxing or review. So I'm pretty excited about doing this one. Kind of a cool tech device here, and this runs about $70 on Amazon. So first of all, we got a nice little box there, nice packaging, and let's see what we got here. So this is going to be coming with an app, so you can you can monitor this just like pretty much any other security camera. It's got an app for your phone. You can click on the little oh my goodness, you know what those things are called, I just can't think of it right now. You click on that, it'll bring it up, and you can download the app that you need. Alright, I'm assuming that's how it works. I haven't actually checked it out yet, but that's how most of them work anyways. So in this first little part we have oh my goodness, I can't open it there. Okay, it's pretty sticky. Alright, this is, it's like a button. There's a battery in there. So what is this? Some type of device. So this is merely the unboxing. I will obviously, when I do a review, have a little bit more information for you guys. So just showing what's in the box here. Here is the main deal right here. Now this is the light itself. So it's fairly small. In the back we have a USB port, as well as one of those other little ones. I forget what they're called right offhand, but it's a little tiny one there. And I think we have, let me see if I can open this part up here. Oop. A little place for an SD card. And I hope I can find that little piece later. Kind of flicked it onto the floor there. Alright, so it has an auto off button here. I wonder if I can even turn this little guy on right now. So the camera is, if you could see it, this little part here on the front is where your camera's going to be at. And I'm trying to turn this thing on. Show you guys the little light here. Alright, anyways, what else we got in the box before I start messing around with the camera there? Alright, so it had a nice little foam protection there, and then underneath we have, okay, so it's nice foam lining there, decent packaging for sure. And then we have a USB cord, as well as the little adapter part there, and here it must be the charger, or to keep it powered, and that's going to plug in, and you have your USB going into that, and then you can plug it into here. So it has the password and the username on here on the bottom when you do your little scan. Oh, that was cool. Hit that little button on the bottom, and let's see if I put it back in. Okay, that's pretty sweet. So the USB thing here, if you need to use this to plug into something else, maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm just guessing here, if this is a download feature where you could plug it in and download the information on there, if it's got it on there or something like that, or use that to charge or power it. Anyways, I thought that might have been a power device. Okay, I'm pushing this button and it's not turning this on, so maybe I need to charge it and everything first. So definitely pretty cool. This is all the goodies you got with this thing. This is obviously just the unboxing. I will be doing a review video, and I'll have how to set up the app, as well as footage that this thing can take. Hopefully we'll have all of that for you guys. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. I'm really excited to check this out. It's gonna have a little bit of a learning curve here, seems like, but try to get this done for you as soon as I can. I appreciate you guys watching. Pretty excited to try this one out, guys. As always, if you want to check it out in Amazon, I'm leaving the link in the description below. I appreciate you guys if you click on that, and if you want to go somewhere else and buy something, all that helps out my channel. So thanks for your support. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you soon. Take care.